Today I have a super exciting unboxing for you guys. I bought some cool products at Orbitkey.com and today I'm gonna open them for you. I'm super excited because they will improve my workspace, which is right here. So this video is not sponsored by Orbitkey. They did send me a lot of nice products in the past year or so. Actually, they've been sending me cool things since 2022, I believe. But I actually purchased these because I love their product so much. So let's go ahead and open them up. So excited. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to open my new desk mat. I was looking forward to a brown desk mat. I've been super into brown, and they have this one, which is a Star Wars collab, and it's brown. So we're gonna open this one first. Actually, let me take this box out of the way. Here we have a great AirTag carry. I bought 2 of these, a multi-tool, and a key organizer. And this is a foldable tote bag that I actually got it as a gift because I spent, I don't remember how much, and then I got this tote. So like I said, let's start with the desk mat. I'm super excited. It's gonna look so good on my desk. So the version that I chose is the medium. This desk mat is also available in a large size, but I thought this was already good enough for me. Yes, yes, yes. So because this is a Star Wars collab, it has the blue detail right here at the top and on the side. So because I just opened it, it's not gonna be looking that best on the desk right now, but you can have an idea of how beautiful this desk mat looks. So let me show you these images right here because you have an idea of how functional this is. You have this area right here that you can put a pen, a pencil, or anything else that you keep on your desk. I used to keep a lip balm right here because I've had this before, but I moved to Italy, so now we have a whole new setup and everything, so I purchased a new one. But I used to put my lip balm right here, maybe a pen, I don't remember, but this is a good spot for these accessories. Also, in the middle section here, you can see that you can put paper in between the top and the bottom section of the desk mat. So if you deal with a lot of documents, this is super convenient because it keeps your desk space organized. I don't like a lot of papers around my desk, and I'm pretty sure you don't either. So that's really convenient. And also, this magnetic accessory comes inside the box, and I'm gonna get it in a second. And you can keep your cables organized. So Orbitkey thinks a lot about how they can improve your life with their accessories, and I really like this. So right here, you can see that you can create a clutter-free zone, toolbar to keep work essentials organized, document hideaway prevents paper pileup, magnetic cable holder keeps cables in place, and this is crafted from vegan leather and recycled pet felt. I just wish this was made of real leather, but that's okay. It looks really good. So let me just get the magnetic accessory. Okay, so this is the magnetic cable holder, and you place it right here. Let me show you closer. Just a second. Okay, here you go. You can place it anywhere around this tab. And even if you want, you can purchase this accessory separately. So if you want to have more than one on your desk mat, you can. Super convenient, love this. This is the document hideaway. Once I start using the desk mat, it will become flat, so you don't have to worry about this being in this shape. But that's how it looks. I really like this desk mat. I definitely recommend it. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, all of them are linked down below in the description for you. So make sure to check it out. So next, I'm gonna open the key organizer. This is actually my husband's because I already have one, but let me show you how it looks. It's the perfect key chain, I would say, but they call it a key organizer because you put your keys right here in the middle and they stay in. So they don't scratch anything that you might have in your pocket or in your bag. Extremely convenient. They even say here, no key jingles or scratches, holds 2 to 7 keys, secure locking mechanism, and carry your car key on the included D-ring. So you can carry your car key right here. But like I said, this is my husband's. He chose the green color, and this is mine. It matches my desk mat, as you can see. Also, nice thing is that you can see how it looks with the actual keys on. So here I have my house keys and everything. And I also have the multi-tool, which is this accessory right here. And I'm actually questioning myself on why I didn't use this to open the box. I should have. Okay, moving on. So this is the multi-tool. It has, if I'm not mistaken, 12 tools built in. I might be wrong. Let's just check it together. So it's made to fit perfectly on the key organizer, and it does, as you can see. So this is with the multi-tool opened, and this is the multi-tool closed. This is how it looks. It fits really well. It's very lightweight as well. So let's see how many tools it has. Let's see if I was right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, not 12, but 9 is already a big number. So it has a box cutter. Like I said, I should have used it to open the box. Letter opener, bottle opener, as you can see. Course file, right here in the middle. Right there. Flathead screwdriver, pry bar, metric ruler, imperial ruler, and Phillips head screwdriver. It's impressive. This is a must-have if you have the key organizer. And even if you don't, you can definitely put it on your keychain, any keychain that you have, because this is a super convenient tool to have. Also, if you're trying to find a perfect gift for your husband, your boyfriend, your dad, this is a great one. Okay, and last but not least, I have the minimal and compact slim case for the AirTag. I have the silver option, and this used to be my keychain, but now I've upgraded it to this one. But this is pretty much a great accessory to have if you want to put AirTags on, of course, your keys. I have one on my camera strap. You can put it on your backpack, pretty much anything that you want to track with an AirTag. So I actually purchased the black version because I'm going to put my AirTag here and fit on this key organizer right here. I feel like the black metal matches the black metal here, so it's perfect. Also, it's super easy to put your AirTag here and put your keys on it, or actually hook it to your other accessories. So the only thing that you need to do is pull this top section to open it like this. And then I'll hook it to my key organizer like this. Then you just close it super easy like this. And now the only thing that I have to do is place my air tag right here. So let's do this. Simply position the air tag on the bottom left and put some pressure on the top. That's how it looks with the air tag on. Now I can track my keys. And like I said, I just bought 2 of the black ones, so this one is gonna look identical. And this will be the air tag holder for my husband's keys. It's gonna look really good too. Let's put it right here. And if you're curious to know how you can put your keys inside of the key organizer, you only need to unscrew this main screw. Open it, position all of your keys in this metal section, and then you will just close and screw this back in. So something that I really like about Orbitkey's accessories, especially the keychains, like key holders, key organizers, is that all of them are easy to open. So you don't have to be struggling to put or remove your keys on them. So nice. I even have other videos here on the channel showing you Orbitkey accessories, especially the key rings. I've had one in the past that you only had to position it in a special way and pull, and it would open. So good. So something else that I love about Orbitkey's products. Oh, and I was almost forgetting about the tote bag. Once again, I got this as a gift because I spent more than X amount. I don't remember. This is a foldable tote bag and it comes in orange. I'm not sure if it's available in different colors. And the best thing about it is that it's super lightweight, and of course it's foldable. So I was even thinking that sometimes my husband and we go for a walk right here in a park that we have close to our apartment. And usually we decide to grab groceries on the way back, but we don't have our grocery bags with us. So this one is super easy to just carry in our pockets. And then we can go ahead, take a walk, do everything. And then on the way back, we have a tote bag to do groceries. So that's incredible. Let's open it up. It's a great size, actually. So it has black straps. Let me zoom out. Black straps. Orbitkey logo. And I'm wondering if this closes because it has this loop. Let's check the picture. Oh yeah, you can even make it smaller. Let's see. Let's see if I can make this happen. So you put the straps in. Close this. Fold this. Fold. And loop. Okay, you get the idea. This is not my best work right here. you get the idea of how it looks. This is great, super portable. Let's see if I'm forgetting something. Easily folds into compact form, comfortable to carry and convenient to store, made sustainably and machine washable. Again, great for groceries. And that's it for today's unboxing. Once again, all the links are linked down below in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I would love to help you out. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.